Alright, this is going to be the video of the longest ceiling fan pull chain I ever made. It connects from my 36-inch Hampton Bay San Marino to all the way to my 42-inch Westinghouse Richboro SE. Yeah, it is extremely long. It's so long that it touches the floor. The reason why I did this is because I was bored and I had this really long chain. Just in case if you didn't know, back in late 2019, we ordered a pull chain set because we were running out of pull chains. So we decided to order it. Since we had this chain, I decided to do this. I'll just show you the little demonstration from the San Marino and the Richboro SE. Yeah, both of them work really well. So that's about it for this really long pull chain. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more future content.